to the beer corner. Tell me, have you ever been in this situation? You're at the store, you're craving beer, you're bored of the same old beer you try every day. Well, you want to get a different kind of beer, you don't know what the flavor is, you have no idea what all these fancy bunch of different beers are. Well, I have. That's why I'm starting this channel, try to give you a general idea of what a flavor is on the kind of beer, where to get it, etc. Alright, so today, the first beer I'm gonna try is this Belching Beaver beer. It's a peanut butter milk stout beer. It has 5% alcohol. This, you'll generally find it like in the Bethmo, around $13 for 6-pack, 12 ounce. So let's open this up. Honestly, I like drinking beer out of a glass. Always tastes a little bit better. You can see the color. You have a general idea of what the beer looks like. So, first impression with this beer, it looks kind of dark, but has a really good smell to it. You get this like chocolate, roasted peanut butter kind of aroma to it. It smells pretty nice. Honestly, it smells really good, looks good. See how it tastes. Wow, actually, pretty good beer. I don't get this peanut butter flavor to it, honestly. I'm getting more of a like roasted peanut butter kind of taste to it. Surprisingly, it doesn't really smell, or I don't get that much alcohol, beery kind of taste or smell to it. And honestly, it's pretty good. Honestly, I see myself drinking this beer, tasting it, you know, pretty good flavor to it. Get some like dark chocolate kind of taste to it, a little bit sour, but all around, really good beer. Honestly, something I would recommend you guys to try. Alright guys, that was Belching Beaver peanut butter milk stout beer. Honestly, a really good beer, real tasteful. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who likes like flavor in their beer. You'll definitely find it at Bethmo. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any suggestions of what to try next, please comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys.